Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rotary cheese graters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Xylus Classic Rotary Cheese Grater. This NSF restaurant certified grater is a compact option that's designed to handle hard cheeses, chocolate, and nuts with ease. Its ergonomic handle makes it perfect for both left and right-handed users, offering flexibility for all types of home cooks. The drum disassembles easily for cleaning, a big plus for anyone who values convenience. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills rotary grater, this might be the one for you. In terms of design and build quality, the Xylus grater is lightweight at just 6.9 ounces, making it easy to maneuver during use. The stainless steel drum performs well with hard cheeses like Parmesan, but it can struggle slightly with softer cheeses, which tend to clog. The overall build is solid, but it doesn't feel as durable as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. Nevertheless, its foldable design is great for saving space in your kitchen. The Xylus grater excels in simplicity, but this comes with some trade-offs in versatility. It's best suited for quick grating tasks rather than heavy-duty shredding. While it's dishwasher safe, the drum may require extra attention during cleaning to ensure no residue remains. If you're primarily looking for a compact, restaurant-certified grater for occasional use, this is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more versatile tool, you might want to look at the higher-ranked products. Pros: compact, ergonomic, NSF certified. Cons: limited versatility, struggles with softer cheeses. At number 3, we have the Parmesan Rotary Cheese Grater, a versatile tool that comes with 3 interchangeable blades for coarse shredding, fine shredding, and slicing. This grater is capable of shredding a pound of cheese in just 30 seconds, making it a time-saving champion in the kitchen. Its suction base ensures stability during use, providing safety and precision for all your grating needs. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, so you can confidently use it with food. The design of the Parmesan Grater is thoughtful and user-friendly. The suction base is a standout feature, keeping the grater firmly secured to your countertop, a big bonus for those who are tired of sliding graters. The blades are made of 430 stainless steel, which is robust and resistant to rust, while the plastic housing feels slightly less durable than higher-ranked models. The grater's lightweight build makes it easy to handle. Cleaning is straightforward, as all parts are dishwasher safe, and the included cleaning brush is a welcome addition. This grater excels in versatility, handling a wide range of tasks from cheese to vegetables and nuts. It's ideal for those who want a multifunctional tool at a reasonable price. However, its plastic construction may not appeal to those seeking a more premium feel. Pros: versatile blade options, suction base for stability, BPA-free materials. Cons: plastic housing feels less durable, not as compact as other models. Our runner-up is the Steel Rotary Cheese Grater with handle. This multi-purpose grater features 5 interchangeable blades, making it incredibly versatile for slicing, shredding, and even creating wavy cuts. Designed with a retro green aesthetic, it adds a touch of style to your kitchen while delivering top-notch performance. Its powerful suction base ensures stability during use, while the sloping curved design allows grated ingredients to fall smoothly without clogging. With a weight of 2.61 pounds, the Steel Grater feels solid and well-built. The components are made of food-grade materials that are BPA-free, ensuring both safety and durability. The 1810 stainless steel blades are razor-sharp and capable of handling everything from cheese to vegetables and chocolate. Cleaning is a breeze. As all parts can be disassembled and are dishwasher safe, the included blade storage box adds an extra layer of convenience, keeping your kitchen organized. This grater is perfect for those who want a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. Its innovative design and premium build quality make it worth the investment. However, its larger size may not be ideal for those with limited countertop space. Pros: 5 interchangeable blades, stylish design. Strong suction base. Cons: larger size may require more storage space. Taking the top spot is the Graters Rotary Cheese Grater. This grater is a true powerhouse, featuring 3 interchangeable blades for slicing, shredding, and grinding. Its ability to cut food 12 times faster than traditional methods makes it a must-have for anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen. The transparent barrel design reduces jamming, ensuring a smooth grating experience every time. Plus, its BPA-free materials and stainless steel blades guarantee safety and durability. The Steel Grater is well built, with a sturdy suction base that keeps it firmly in place during use. At 14.4 ounces, it strikes the perfect balance between lightweight design and robust construction. Cleaning is incredibly simple, as all parts are detachable and dishwasher safe. Its compact size ensures it won't take up too much space in your kitchen, making it a practical choice for both small and large households. What sets the Steel Grater apart is its exceptional performance and user-friendly design. Whether you're prepping cheese for a salad or slicing vegetables for a stir-fry, this grater handles it all with ease. Its versatility and efficiency make it the best overall rotary cheese grater on the market. Pros: fast and efficient grating, versatile blade options, compact design. Cons: none significant. This grater truly excels in all areas. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.